Well, this is great. Rain, rain, rain. I bet even the ducks wouldn't come out in weather like this.
So, let's talk about today.
But me, I'm an idiot.
It started out like a normal episode covering an event down in Salem. Getting there early and meeting the people running the event.
Okay, let's go make friends.
See Joe right there, wave. Follow him.
Oh, it's a great event. It's a free event, free for the entrance. It's free for the guests. I mean, we love it. It's a wonderful community day. It's grown and grown every single year. This year we have over 200 cars. You know what? We'll have 1,000 people here today, and it's just a great day.
Filming B-roll footage of the patrons as they're checking out the cars. And of course, getting every shot imaginable of the cars as they're coming into the parking lot.
Thank you. Sure, I'll give you a plug. Why the hell not? Alright, so far it's about 10:30. The rain hasn't really come down yet.
And then it started raining.
Ah, Christ. Honey, what color Subaru do you want? I don't know, honey, what color Subaru do you want? I don't know, let's just get all the same damn color. And the kids? Yeah, we'll get them the same color as well. Alright, Subarus for everyone.
Weather report. It's wet out. Just letting you know, okay?
This is Court Fiore. This has a rope around it.
Yeah, the passamento, yeah. That's
Is this it?
That's the one I like, yeah.
Ooh. Looks pretty dope.
How much is it?
22.